Hi everyone, this is Krishna, Math Science faculty. Last class we discussed sets up to 17 problems. Now we have to discuss 18 problems onwards. Listen, two sets A and B are under A is equal to set of order pair A comma B belongs to Cartesian product of R and R such that modulus of A minus phi is less than 1 and modulus of B minus phi is less than 1. And B is equal to set of order pair A comma B such belongs to Cartesian product of R and R such that 4 into A minus 6 whole square plus 9 into B minus 5 whole square is less than or equal to 36. Then which option is correct we have to check here. Now first one is A. Here first one is modulus of A minus 5 is less than 1 as given. Here modulus of x, here properties you can take here modulus function modulus of x is less than A means this x is lies between minus A and A. Now see here, now this function also same, minus 1 is less than A minus 5 is less than 1. Now this whole inequation you have to add with 5 plus 5. Next 1 plus 5 means here 4 and A minus 5 plus 5 less than 1 plus 5. Now this is 4 is less than 5 cancel, A is less than 6. This A is lies between 4 and 6. Now same as it is modulus of B minus 5 is less than 1. This is also same, that like function means directly you can write here 4 is less than B is less than 6. Now you can take here B function, this is A, and you can take here B. B is equal to 4 into A minus 6 whole square plus 9 into B minus 5 whole square is less than or equal to 36. Now this inequation divided by total 36. Here 36 means here 4 into A minus 6 whole square plus 9 into B minus 5 whole square upon 36 less than or equal to 1. Now this denominator is belongs to these two terms, that's why you can write here 4 9s are 36. A minus 6 whole square by 4 9s are 36 plus 9 4s are 36. B minus 5 whole square by 4 is less than or equal to 1. Now here this is a looks like which equation? This is a ellipse equation, x square by a square plus y square by b square. Now you can write here x minus 6 whole square by 3 square plus y minus 5 whole square by 2 square is equal to 1. Now this is an ellipse equation, its center is, ellipse center is 6 comma 5. 6 comma 5, it's the center. Now you can take here, draw a diagram. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 enough. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now here center is 6 comma 5. 6 comma 5. This is 6 comma 5. This is center. Now here major axis is 3 and minor axis is 2. Major axis is 3 means from here to 3 units means up to here, and here to up to here. This is 3 comma 5 and this is 9 comma 5. Now minor axis is 2 units. 2 units you have to take here up and down. 2 units means up to here 3. Here 6 comma 3 and here 2 units means here 5, 6, 7. 7, here 6 comma 7. Now you have to join this one. This is an ellipse. This is an ellipse. Now see here, it A is lies between 4 and 6. 4 and 6. And B also lies between 4 and 6. Here this is 4 and 6, you have to draw a line. 4 and 6, 2 lines you have to draw it. Now in this equation y you can take here 2 units, 2 square means 4 units you can take here. Then x minus 6 whole square by 3 square is equal to plus y instead of you can take 4. Actually here minor axis 4 units means 5 or minus 5 5 whole square by 2 square. 2 square is equal to 1. Now x minus 6 by 3 whole square is equal to, this is 1 square. 4 minus 5 means 1. 1 square 1. 1 by 4 and 1 minus 1 by 4 center side and 3 by 4. Now x minus 6 by 3 is equal to plus or minus, this square going this side means root 3 by 2 plus or minus root 3 by 2. Now you can write here x minus 6 is equal to 3 root 3 by 2 and x is plus or minus, here plus x is equal to plus or minus 3 root 3 by 2 plus 6. Now you can take once plus and another time is minus, then root 3 value approximately 1.732. 1.732 means here approximately 1.8 you can take. 8 or 1.7, 17 3s are 51, 5.1 by 2 plus 6. Here 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, approximately here 7.5. This is x. Now you can take minus means here this is minus means here 6 minus 2.5, approximately this is 5 and 5 minus 3.5. Here this is 3.5 means here 3.5 x and x is equal to 7.5. Now you have to draw a line which is perpendicular. This is 7.5. Now see here a value is set A is lies between here 4 and 6. 4 and 6 means here this is the common shaded area. That's why here the answer is A is subset of B. A is subset of B. A is here, this is the A. This is the A and this is the B. Listen. See here. This is B. This is B. Now this is only shaded area only A. Now A is subset of B. This is the correct answer. Okay. Last class I wrong. This is I written this is wrong. That's why you can change it. Note down. Next 19th problem. Let S is equal to set of x belongs to R such that x is greater than or equal to 0 and 2 into modulus of x root x minus 3 plus root x into root x minus 6 plus 6 is equal to 0. Then S is an empty set containing exactly one element, exactly contains exactly 2 elements and 4 elements. Which one is correct? We have to see here. Here one condition is given, x greater than or equal to 0. S is equal to greater than x is greater than or equal to 0. Now 2 into modulus of root x minus 3 plus root x into root x plus minus 6 plus 6 is equal to 0. Now see here, x is greater than 0 means here 2 into x root x, 2 root x, 2 into 3 6 plus root x into root x, x minus root x into 6, 6 root x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now this is minus 6 plus 6 both are cancelled. Now x here 2 root x minus 6 root x minus 4 root x is equal to 0. In these two terms you have to take common root 2 root x, then root x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now see here, root x is equal to 0, then x is equal to 0. Next one is root x minus 4 is equal to 0. Root x is equal to 4. Squaring on both sides, then x is equal to 16. Then how many elements? X is equal to 2. Exactly 2 elements. This is third option. Note down. Next problem 28. If x is equal to set of p such that n plus 2 into 2n for 5 plus 3n for 4 plus 4n cube plus 5n square plus 8 upon n square plus 2n and n comma p belongs to z. Both are integers. Then n of x is equal to. Okay, now see here, x is equal to such that p such that here n plus 2 into 2n for 5 plus 3n for 4 plus 4n cube plus 5n square plus 8 whole by, here in denominator you have to take common n plus 2, n into n plus 2. Now this is n into n plus 2 into n plus 2 both are cancelled, numerator and denominator. Then x is equal to p such that here numerator you have to take common n you have to take common means 2n for 5 plus 2n for 4 plus 3n cube plus 4n square plus 5n plus 8 by n. Here n into 8 by n is 8 whole by n. Here n cancel. Now you can write here x is equal to p such that 2n power 4 plus 3n cube plus 4n square plus 5n plus 8 by n. See here n and p both are belongs to integers, but here 8 by n is a fraction, rational number. Then here 8 by n means here n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on. Then which numbers are possible here? 1. N is equal to 1 is possible. N is equal to 1 means 8. And n is equal to 2 means, see here, n is equal to 1 means 8 by 1, 8. And n is equal to 2 means here 8 by 2 is equal to 4. N is equal to 3 possible, 8 by 3. This is not a integer. That's why this is 3 is not possible. N is equal to 4 possible. 4 means here 2. 5 not possible, 6 not possible. Direct 8. N is equal to 8 is equal to 8 by 8. Now x is equal to p such that here how many elements here? 1, 2, 3, not 3, 1, 3, 4, 8 only. Total 4 elements. N of x is equal to 4 elements. This is third option. Note down. Next problem 21. Given n of r is equal to r plus 1 and r is subset of r plus 1, then r is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on. Then find the value of n of union r is equal to 1 to 99 ar. See here ar is subset of ar plus 1. That means here a1 is subset of a1 plus 1 a2. Then a2 is subset of a3. That means here a1 is subset of a2 is subset of up to so on. A99 is subset of. Its union you can take means here A1 union, A2 union up to so on. A99 is equal to A99 only. Now given problem you can see here union of R is equal to 1 to 99 ER as given. Now here R1 means A1, here union, A2 union, A3 union up to so on. A99 is equal to A99 only. Okay, now A99 only, then n of r is equal to r plus 1 as given. Here n of 99 you can take here. 99, r is equal to 99. 99 plus 1 is equal to 100. Third option, note down. Okay, next 22nd problem. If a is equal to set of order pair x comma y such that x square plus y square is equal to 25 and b is equal to set of order pair x comma y such that x square plus 9 y square is equal to 144, then a intersection b contains how many points? Here common points. Now we can take a is equal to x square plus y square is equal to 25. Now this is x square plus y square is equal to r square. This is a circle. Now this is also write as 5 square. 5 square 25. Given this one is a circle. Next b you can take it is here. B is equal to x square plus 9y square is equal to 144. Now divide whole equation by 144. X square by 144 plus 9y square by 144 is equal to 1. 9 ones are 9 16s are. Then x square by this is 12 square plus y square by this is 4 square is equal to 1. This is an ellipse, this is a circle. Now you have to draw a diagram. See here. Now this is 12, major axis is 12 and minor axis is 4. And this is 12 and this is 4. This is 4 units and this is 4 means this is 4 and this is 12. 12, here 12, minus 12 and this is plus 12. Now you have to draw it. Now here circle is here 5 units its radius. Here 5 means this is 5, here also 5, here also 5. Yeah, then you can draw it one circle. Okay, now this is y axis, this is x axis. See here this is 5 units radius, 5 units, this is 4 units. It is intersected at how many points? 4 points. Then here 4 points. This is 4 points. This is circle, this is ellipse. Okay, note down. Okay, next 23rd problem. Let A be the set of non-negative integers, I is the set of integers, and B is the set of non-positive integers, E is the set of even integers, and P is the set of prime numbers. Then which option is correct? We have to see here. First one, set A is equal to set of non-negative integers. That means here 0 including positive numbers. Next, set B is equal to set of non-positive integer. That means here 0 is neither positive nor negative. That's why 0 including negative numbers. 1, 2, minus 3, minus 4 up to so on. Next, E is the set of integers. E is the set of integers. Sorry. Here non-negative integers. I is the set of integers. I is the set of integers. I is set of integer means 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 plus or minus 3 up to so on. And E is the set of even integers. E is equal to set of even integers means here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 up to so on. Even integers. And 0 also. Now even integers. And P is the set of prime numbers. P is prime numbers. Prime numbers means 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, okay, etc. Now, here I minus A means here only 0 negative numbers. I minus A means here 0 except 0 remaining only positive numbers will come. That's why 0 is not there. That's why this is cancelled. Now A intersection B is pi. A intersection B is equal to common number is 0 is there. This is also not applicable. E intersection P. E intersection P is here 2. Here 2 is there. That's why it is not possible. Simply we will guess this is fourth option. That is correct or not? We have to check here. A delta B is equal to A union B minus A intersection B. Here A union B means here 0, 1. Plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2. Then this is what? I. 0, this is I. A union B means I. Next one is A intersection B is equal to here 0 only. Common elements is 0. This is the answer. Then fourth one is answer. Note down. Okay, next problem. A set contains 2n plus 1 elements. The number of subsets of this set containing more than n elements is equal to. Here a set contain total. Suppose this is a set A is equal to its contain. This is total how many elements means n of A is equal to 2n plus 1 elements. Here total number of subsets. Total number of subsets is 2 power 2n plus 1. Here n elements as given means here 2 power n subsets. Here n plus 2n plus 1 elements has given means total number of subsets is 2 power 2n plus 1. But here one condition has given. Here 2n plus 1 elements, the number of subsets of this set containing more than n elements. More than n elements means n plus 1 elements, n plus 2 elements, n plus 3 up to so on 2n plus 1 elements. Okay. Given subsets contains more than how many elements? N elements. That means here n plus 1 elements and n plus 2 elements, n plus 3 elements up to so on 2n plus 1 elements. Here more than given set contains more than n elements. Subset n more than n elements means n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3 up to 2n plus 1 elements. Now see here. Here 2 power 2n plus 1 is there. This one is right as 1 plus 1 whole power 2n plus 1. Now this is x, this is y. This is comparison with x plus y whole power n. Or 2n plus 1 has given means here x plus y whole power n. This is the binomial expansion. Here nc0 x power n plus nc1 x power n minus 1 y plus up to so on ncn y for n. Now see here, this one also you can expand 1 plus 1 whole power 2n plus 1. But here nc0 instead of, don't take nc0. Why? Because it contains more than n elements, subsets. That means n plus 1 onwards you have to take here. That means here 2n plus 1, n instead of 2n plus 1, c n plus 1 elements. Before n elements don't take it. Why? Because it contains more than n elements. That's why n plus 1. Next 2n plus 1, c n plus 2 up to so on 2n plus 1, c n plus 2n plus 1 only, ncn. Now see here, actually nc0, 2nc0, 2nc1 plus 2nc2 plus up to so on 2nc, 2n, its value is 2 power 2n, 2 power 2n. Now this is half you have to take here. Half means here 2n c0 plus 2n cn, 2n c1 plus 2n c2 plus up to so on 2n cn is equal to, here half means here 2 to the power of 2n by 2. Similarly here also you can take here. Now this is nc0, here nc0 is equal to nc1. Now ncn, this is also same, nc 2n plus 1 c 2n plus 1 means this is also 2n plus 1 c0. Now you can write backward 2n plus 1 c0, next to 2n plus 1 c1 up to so on 2n plus 1 cn plus 1. It is equal to, here half only means here up to n plus 1 only. That is here n, then 2 power 2n plus 1 by 2. Now you can write here 2 power 2n plus 1 into 2 power minus 1, this denominator is right as, then 2 power 2n only, 1 cancel, total 2 power 2n subsets which contains more than n elements. Note down. Next 25th problem, for each positive integer n, let an is called set of all positive multiple of n, then a6 and a10 is, this is very easy. You have to take LCM, is very easy. Why? Because here a6 means here multiple of 6. Multiple of 6 means 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, 6 5 is 30, 6 6 is 36, 6 7 is 42, 6 8 is 48, 6 9 is 54, 6 10 is 60. Okay, up to 10 you can take here. Okay. Next 10 table you can take here. 10 table, 10 multiples of 10. 10 1 is 10, 10 2 is 20, 10 3 is 30, 10 4 is 40, 10 5 is 50, 10 6 is 60, up to so on. Now here A6 intersection A10. Here first which one is common? Here 30 is common. Next one is 60 only common. Then 31 are 30, 32 are 60. Okay, that's why here simple shortcut is LCM of 6 and 10. Here 2 3s are 2 5s are 2 into 3 6, 6 5s are 30. This is the shortcut. Which option? Third option. Note down. Next problem, 26th one. Let A is called set of A, B, C, D, and B is called set of A, B, C. Then the number of sets X contained in A and not contained in B. Okay, X contained A means X is a subset of A, and X not contained in B means X is not a subset of B. Then see here one A, B, C is there, here also A, B, C is there, here D, one more element is there. Then here X is equal to D, X is equal to D belongs to A, or X is equal to, or D is equal, D belongs to X is subset of A. You can write here D one element is, that is belongs to X, and it is a subset of A. X is a subset of A. Now necessarily necessarily here AD and AD, BD and CD. This one is D, does not belongs in B. These three only not there in B. That's why here the X is in A and not contained in B. This is here. Now X is equal to, you can take here one subset in B. It is union with which one? Here D. Union with D. Duster. Okay, now X is equal to Y union D. Y union set of D. Here Y is a subset of any subset. Y is any subset. Y is any subset of B. Here Y is any subset of B and including D, it is equal to X. That's why X is not a subset of B. Maybe B is a subset of X, possible. Then here total how many elements are there? Only 3 elements. That's why here the number of sets, the number of sets X contained in A and not contained in B means 3 elements, means here number of sets of B is subsets is B 2 power 3. That 3 is equal to 8 elements. Here 8 subsets. Note down. Next problem 27. Let P of X, power set of X is denotes the power set of X. If A is equal to set of A, B, C, D, E and B is equal to A, C, D, X and Y, then P of A intersection B. First you can find A intersection B. Here what is the value of A? Here set of A, B, C, D, E intersection A, B, C, D, E and here A, C, D, X, Y. Now see here intersection means here A, next one is B is not there, C, next one D. Okay, ACD. Now this is A union B. P of A union B means here power set of A union B. Then how to write here? P of A union B is P of A intersection B. Power set of A intersection B. Now you have to write here. This is only 3 elements. Now set A, set C, set D, set A comma C, set A comma D, set C comma D, set A comma C comma D. Here 3 elements means 2 power 3 is equal to 8 sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and pi is 1 set, 8. Now see here which option? Here A, C, D, A, C, D has not given here. A, C, D is there, then AC and AD has not given here. Now this option also fail and this option also fail. Now A union B means it is not possible, and P of A intersection P of B you can take it is here. P of A, power set of A intersection power set of B. Now see here how it is. P of A is equal to power set of A means here set of A, set of B, set of C, set of D, set of E, next set of A comma B, set of AB and AC, and set of A comma D, set of A comma E, set of ABC, set of ABD, set of AB. Okay, no need to take 3 elements here, only 3 is there. ABD 3 elements also there. Okay. Here ABC, ABD, ABE. Next one is set of ACD, set of AC E, next set of AC AD ADs E, set of ADE only. Now here 4 elements is no need, A, B, C, D are no 4 elements, that's why you can write here up to. Next one is P of B. P of B is equal to, power set of B is equal to set of A. Here A is there, C, D is there. That's why this is also possible. Okay, A, C, D, here XY, no need XY. Here up to A, C, D is there, here also A, C, D. Then, okay, without doing, we will tell the answer. This is the option. Which one? Fourth one is the option. Okay, note down. Next problem 28. Let A and B be finite sets with n of A is equal to m elements, n of B is equal to n elements. If the number of elements in P of A is 56 more than those in P of B. See here, power set of A is equal to 56 elements more than power set of B. Now, number of power sets is equal to 2 power. Here, n of A is equal to m elements is equal to 56 plus 2 power n. Now, this 2 power n and this side 2 power m minus 2 power n is equal to 56. Now, what we will do? Here 2 power n you have to take common. Then 2 power m minus n minus 1 is equal to 56 is right as 8 into 7. Now, see here. 2 power n into 2 power m minus n minus 1 is equal to, this 8 is right as 2 power 3 into 2 power 3 minus 1. 2 power 3 is equal to 8, 2 power 3, 8 minus 1, 7. Now comparison the powers either side, here, bases equal, powers also equal. N is equal to 3, next here m minus n is equal to 3. Here already we know that n is equal to almost 3. Then m minus 3 is equal to 3. Then m is equal to 3 plus 3, 6. M is equal to 6, n is equal to 3. Option 2, note down. Okay, next problem. If A and B are two subsets of a universal set, then A complementary minus B complementary. See here, A complementary minus B complementary. It is right in the set builder form. That means X belongs to X dash minus A dash minus B dash. Now X belongs to A dash and X does not belongs to B dash. And X does not belongs to, here X belongs to A means X does not belongs to A. And X does not belongs to B dash means X belongs to B. Now you can write here X says that, here X says that. First you can write here X belongs to B and X does not belongs to A. Then X says that X belongs to B here and means here A dash. Here A dash. Then B minus A dash or B intersection A dash. Here and here belongs to, once again X belongs to B and here X does not belongs to A means it is belongs to A dash. Now X belongs to B intersection A dash. Which option? Third option. Note. Next problem 30th. Let A, B, C are finite sets such that A intersection B intersection C is equal to 5. And each one of the sets A delta B, comma B delta C and C delta has 100 elements. That means each one having 100 elements. These three sets means 300 elements. The number of elements in A union B union C is equal to. Now see here, n of A union B union C is equal to n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection C minus n of C intersection A plus n of A intersection B intersection C. Now see here, n of A union B union C is right as this here up to this here and sigma you can apply. Summation of n of A minus summation of n of A intersection B. Here this one is equal to 0. Already given this is pi. Pi means it is equal to 0. Now n of A union B union C is equal to summation n of A minus summation n of A intersection B. Now you can find here, this is the finite set. Each one of the set is A delta B, B delta C and C delta A. Each one is 100 elements. Now you can write here n of A delta B plus n of B delta C. Before you can find this one, first we can write here A delta B. A delta B is equal to n of, here n of you can write here n of A union B minus n of A intersection B. Now this is rewrite as n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B, and this n of A intersection B. Now you can write here n of A delta B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus, this is 2 times n of A intersection B. Now similarly B delta C also. Now you can write here n of A delta B plus n of B delta C plus n of C delta A is equal to, it is right as n of A delta B means here n of A plus n of B, then n of A plus n of B minus 2 times n of A intersection B, plus here B delta C, n of B delta C also write as n of B plus n of C minus n of 2 times n of B intersection C. Now this one is n of C plus n of A minus 2 times n of C intersection A. Now see here. Here this is 100, 100, 100. 100 plus 100 plus 100 is equal to, here n of A how many times has given? Here 2 times. N of A here also 2 times. Then 2 times n of A plus 2 times n of B, that means here 2 times n of A plus n of B plus n of C, minus here also 2 times n of A intersection B, B intersection C. Then you can write here n of A intersection B plus n of B intersection C plus n of C intersection A, you can write here. Now see here. Now here 100 plus 100 plus 100 is equal to 300. 300 is equal to 2 times. Here this one is right as sigma n of A minus summation of n of A intersection B. N of A intersection B. Now 2 ones are 2, 150 sir. Now this value, see here, n of A union B union C is equal to, see, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Now here you have to substitute here summation of n of A minus summation of n of A intersection B value is equal to how much here? 150. Therefore n of A union B union C is equal to 150. Which option? Third option. Note down. Next problem 31. Let x is equal to set of x, y, z such that x, y, z belongs to natural number and x plus y plus z is equal to 10. X is less than y is less than z, and y is equal to x, y, z such that x, y, z belongs to natural number and y is equal to modulus of x, y, z. Then x intersection y is equal to, see here, first one is x is equal to set of, here x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z is equal to 10, and condition x is less than y is less than z. Now see here x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, you can take here. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus how much it is equal to? 10, 7. This is 1 pair. Next 1, 3 you can take here. 1, 3, 4. 4 plus 6. Next 1, 4. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. Now not possible any number. Now 2 you can take here. 2. Next 3. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. Now 2 plus 4, 6. You can take here 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 4. This is not possible. Why? Because x is less than, y is less than z. Then not remaining any other numbers also not possible. Okay, now see here y is equal to set of, here y is equal to modulus of x minus z. X minus z. See here, in these numbers you have to take here, that is equal to y. Y means here this is equal to y, middle number. Middle number is equal to difference of these two numbers. Here 7 minus 1, 6, not possible. 6 minus 1, 5, this is also not possible. Here 5 minus 1, 4, then this is possible. Here this is 4 is equal to modulus of 1 minus 5 is equal to, this is possible. Now this is also possible or not. 2 minus 5 is equal to modulus of is equal to 3. Then here y is equal to, here intersection is here x intersection y is equal to set of 1, 4, 5 and 2, 3, 5. Here order pair means only 2 elements. This is 3 elements means triplet. This is triplet. Note down. This is which option? This is the fourth option. Note down. Next problem 32. For any 3 sets A1, A2, A3, let B1 is equal to A1, B2 is equal to A2 minus A1 and B3 is equal to A2 minus A1 union A2. See here 4 options, 3 options. Here right side B1 union, B2 union, B3 as given. First you have to find the right hand side means then we will get the answer. B1 union B2, first you have to find here. What is B1? B1 means it is equal to A1 union, B2 means here A2 minus A1. See here A1 union, this is minus means here A2 intersection A dash. We know that this is properties. Here A minus B is right as A intersection B dash. How it is means, see here A minus B means this is only A intersection B dash. B dash means this is B dash. Intersection means this is only. That's why here A minus B is equal to, therefore A minus B is equal to A intersection B dash. Now A1, see here apply here distributive law, A1 union A2 intersection A1 union A dash. Here also A1 A intersection A dash is equal to mu. Now this is mu, A1 union A2 intersection union. That's why this intersection part is only A1 union A2. This is B1 union B2 is equal to. Now we have to find B1 union B2 union, B1 union B2 union B3. Already we found here B1 union B2. B1 union B2 means here A1 union A2 union. Here B3 means here A3 minus A1 union A2. Now see here A1 union A2 union. Here again you have to apply A minus B is equal to A intersection old dash. Now see here minus S means intersection and old dash. Now you can write here A1 union A2, you can apply here distributive law. A1 union A2 union A3 intersection A1 union A2 union A1 union A2 whole dash. Now see here this is A union A dash. A union A dash means this is union set, universal set. Then here A1 union A2 union A3 intersection, this is union. Now what is the answer here? A1 union A2 union A3 only. Then which option? This is second option. Note down. Okay, next problem 33. If A is equal to set of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 17 and B is equal to 2, 4, 6 up to so on 18 and N is the universal set, then A dash union B intersection B dash. First you can find what is given in the bracket, A union B intersection B dash. Here A union B means here Here 1 to 17 has given odd numbers. Here 2 to 18 even numbers has given. Then you can write here A union B means here n. N means here 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on 19. 19 are 18 numbers. 18 numbers. Intersection B dash. B dash means here mu minus, here mu minus B. Here mu means here universal set n has given. N. Here B means all even numbers. All even numbers is subtracted from the up to here means then here set of 1, 2, 3. This is n up to 18. Intersection here n means here set of all 18 numbers. Then B means only even number subtract means 1, 3, 5, 7 up to so on. Now we can write here intersection part means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to so on 18. 18 means here again you can write here 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on 18. This is the intersection part. Now you can take here A dash union B intersection B dash. Now A dash means here n minus A union here set of 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on 18. Now n means here n here even numbers. A means odd numbers. Odd numbers after eliminating then 2, 4, 6, 8 up to so on. This is even numbers union 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on 18. Now you can write here union means here 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on 18 numbers. This is union. Then this is equal to n only. This is equal to n only. Up to 18 numbers means this is a universal set. Okay, now 34th problem. Let S is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on 10. Then the number of subsets S containing only odd numbers. Here S is equal to set of 1, 2, 3 up to so on 10 numbers as given. In these 10 numbers, how many odd numbers are there? 5 numbers. N of odd numbers is equal to 5. That is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now total number of subsets only contain odd means here 2 for 5 is equal to 32. 32 including one null set you have to subtract here. 31 sets. Note down. Okay, next 35 question number. If A and B are both sets contain number of elements, same number of elements and or finite sets, then here first option you have to see here n of A union B is equal to n of A intersection B. Here same number of elements having given but not same elements. That's why this is not possible. Second one we have to try here n of A is equal to m elements, n of B also same number of elements is n, but both elements are not equal. Why? Because if it is equal means this is also equal. Now n of A minus B is equal to here n of A, this is n of A minus B is right as n of A intersection n of B dash, n of B dash. Now here n of A union B, n of A minus B, this is correct. Then how to write here n of A minus B means this is A minus B. Then n of A minus n of A intersection B, n of A intersection B you can write here. A intersection B means here total this is A minus this intersection part means here n of A minus n of A intersection B. Now you can write here n of B minus A, you can write here n of B minus n of A intersection B. Now see here both are equal, n of A minus B. You can take means here n of A is equal to n of B. Number of elements, this is m, this is also equal, m minus n of A intersection B. Here also m minus n of A intersection B. Both are equal, therefore n of A minus B is equal to n of B minus A. Okay, thank you watching my videos, children. Okay, I explained each and every type of problems for what is needed for the JEE mains. Then I explain each and every model questions. Any doubts means you have to send to my WhatsApp number. Here this is 88 38 33 9151. Then immediately I will send the answer. Thank you.